Ah! Antok na ako! Fuck! Okay, last game. Guys, 30 subs oh. Agis ko yung cellphone ko.
Yeah, definitely nice sequence. I was supposed to say Yo Punch almost got out there, but down there as well.
Yeah,
They
okay,
find like a TP, so all these moves are insanely clutch.
Quantum
There's
inagis
like a
ko
couple
to
of seconds more or less always. One or
Si
more,
Blacklist.
like one or another hero might
Na-stress
get
ako
out or not die. But
Inagis ko.
quite an action-packed game.
Boy, tibay, di.
Oh, back and forth. I really thought this game was in Shopify's hands, but now Nefert the Bear is hitting on this tier 3 tower. And at least they have the Kato to kind of blast things away. It looks like the fort, or the backdoor protection might come out soon. Thankfully, Shopify, they don't have the worst high ground defense, so it's not really as easy as just walking up there and taking some towers.
Yep, Card is still a problem when you want to go high ground always.
Nantok na ako, di.
Illuminates kicking in. Nephros wise though,
Basahin mo lahat.
catching up a little bit, got the 12k.
Guys, sige, magtanong kayo kay Sulap.
Which is of course the item you always want to get on starter. Once you get that, he can maybe front dive.
Ayun, sungkutan ni Yowie, oh. Di mo makapag-cash in, Brad.
To get some good spells though.
Putang ina.
Really great starter deck right now on Splatter. He's got the Blink BKB. From the rest of this is going to be insane quality of life for Saberlight. As you said, that Agnes after allowing the pool going to be pretty good for him. Once again, early Manta.
Ang ina, pwede pala yan eh. Tangin na si Nipolas, ba't nasa mid ka naman? Ang ginagawa nga niya. Laban yan din, may BKB pa eh. Ano, nag-BKB agad, ano ba yan? Hindi, pinapalo ba siya agad? Uy, okay na yan, uy. Dieback na, oh. Buyback na. Uy, ano ba yan, Skim? Ano yung lakad mo? Uy, bait pala yun. Tong ino. Guling pala niya, ano dun, Andre yung, no? Kasi pakanan siya, tas kumaliwa. Tas ang tinip nila, si Saberlight at saka si ano ba yan? Tatangan nyo? Ang tangan nyo? Putang inang yan. Tang inang yan ang puta. Tinip yung mga yun. Andre yung nag-setup. Tangin na, tinanong ko nga ang ginagawa mo. Ang sa Andre yung yun doy.
For just a second to start that fight on RTZ, but they still got the kill.
And here we see. I mean, the
Paano ba siya mabubuhay? Ibibigay niya yung chrono.
Now it looked like pretty decent for Navi. They just barely don't get the kill.
Mahal din nun ah.
When they return here, I think everything was still kind of open, but Saberlight getting the perfect
Putang ina.
like 3 or 4 heroes there. Super strong jump.
Yeah, this reinitiation, I'm a little baited by that Crystal Maiden buyback. I don't
Doon lang din yung lababo yung sa harap natin. Yung sa labas. Yung mga toothbrush ano, ilang gusto ko lang. Doon sa CR na, yung sa harap nga. Same lang ba yung CR dito at saka CR doon? Parang same? Okay.
Wants to get right on top of the real Nefret. He's able to get into the true form here, but he's already lost so much HP. The physical damage, it's overwhelming for
Jeje. Eh, yung pangit kay LD pag hindi mo na ano, no? Snowball.
They once again lose 4
Finish na.
heroes and 4 Na'Vi. After holding on to the game for so long, they have tossed it right back for Shopify.
This is not good math. This is not good. The chrono was not even up.
Tapos na to. Tapusin na lang.
The fight just die right again. Now it's a 30k.
Guys, after ng game na to, off-stream na kami.
Roshan also respawns. They probably just played a run for it. I think Shopify, they secured themselves a super strong lead now. That is, I'm not sure if Navi's gonna be able to recover from this. They got all the late game they need on Shopify. They got all the spells they need.
You're just not able to play around this bear anymore. He's not scary enough. It used to be that if this guy caught up to you, you were just dead, but now they have the escape items, they have the HP and stats.
Grabe si Andre yung.
I don't know.
Ganda item choice niya, no? Force of the lane.
As soon as you lose your tiny as well.
Maybe there's some sort of worlds where they can get like a good jump and try to burst the corner to take a new fight. But other than that, I think even if one of the cores of Shopify would die to a jump from Na'Vi, I think the other 2 cores and even the subs at this point would just be too strong and clean up the rest of them. It just feels like even though they had the insanely strong lead on Na'Vi, they were just not able to convert the lead into something that is gonna give them the win. And yeah, now we have Aegis on Void. There's no Tormentor Thunder God's Wrath this time probably. He's gonna have the A, he's gonna keep it.
Yeah, Yeah, no, not this time. I think he's gonna be much more careful about it.
Tulog na day.
Like, I'm trying to think of the way that they all
Tagal matapos,
shares
putang
a
ina.
kill, and now
Gusto ko
with
lang
this
naman matulog.
play, it's still so hard for you to try to get these
Solid
kills.
ka, Kitrak. Yung net worth mo pang post 5.
It's one Inkswell, and you're right back at square one. I don't know if you really have the toolkit right now. The full bash through a Slardar, a Faceless Void, maybe a Coddle, but you have to make the fight last so long.
It's hard. It's honestly hard.
As you said, they're playing around Chrono now, right? Like, Shopify are full control of this. As long as we have Chrono Square up, we don't feel fear.
Can we clip
Go!
this somehow?
Uy, putang ina mo. Gulat naman ako
Yan,
doon.
No, not on Faceless Void.
Si Bimbo.
This is a hard one.
That's why I picked
yan na yung ano, yung tinatanong mong Phosphor.
That's a lot of damage. Do we have the
Sino?
Active Receptor finished? Yeah, we do. Okay.
Si Kitrak.
There's one strong boy.
Ah,
This is next
baba ng
time,
network.
I feel like it's been so long. He has
Yaman pa si Andre Ong.
Kanina rin eh. Baka hindi siya marunong kung paano mag-scale yung phosphor niya.
It could be anything.
Yung Mirana si Andreong. Ano ba hero niya? No?
Maybe.
Kitrak na.
Oh, good
Kalimutan
look.
ko.
Yeah, it's going to be an AC coming up for him.
Oh, it's actually gonna be an AC. Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go. Doing the tormentor, not dying to Zeus ulti.
Comeback pa nga no 1 kill.
Oh my goodness.
12 minute.
That was kind of funny that it happened.
Kanina?
Lily changed that fight, by the way. I mean, he wasn't able to
Ang
go.
tanga kasi ng mga placement ng Navi.
Some like really weird chrono because he literally didn't have an extra life. At least now he doesn't
Di
feel
ano,
such fear.
walang objective yung ginagawa nila.
So yeah, Shopify also playing it disciplined.
Ipit
They're not going
siguro,
for any high
kuha
ground push.
Torre.
It could still go wrong, right? You're playing against Toss, you're
Habol
playing against
muna
Zeus.
isa,
There's not really a
tas
reason to
ipit.
like chip on the tier space. Rather just control
Pinaka na weird ano ako kay Razor eh. Nagmanta tas nag-mailstorm eh.
right here. Doing it all by himself even.
That's actually a large.
Mail,
point.
ano, ay Manta Mael ba yung ginawa niya?
Have a toss, maybe into a dragon.
Oh.
with a harpoon, like,
Nadali siya sa bottom 2 beses, nakamanta siya eh.
there for a while, and of course Zeus, he had to fight
Tas
back
nag-farm na sa triangle.
Ah, magandang item
It
dito.
is kind of the tower damage at the
Man-
moment, and oh, Nefret.
Ah, Manta BKB pa rin.
Void here. It doesn't seem like they have the dispel on him just
Kung magmamail siya, sana nag-mail na lang siya per sa item.
first. Not a whole lot of damage to follow up just yet, though. He may be able to walk away
Tas
from
nag-farm na siya sa triangle.
Jump forward, the stun. It is enough to lock down Nefret. There's no bear and there's no buyback for him.
What?
Yuragi has run away from this one. They did end up
Right
using
there.
the link, sure, but I don't think that's going to hinder Shopify too much. They could still walk up and get this tier 2.
Satanic.
Good play. RTZ reading that somebody's probably gonna farm this camp on the edge. It's always the one spot that you try to get when you're behind. You want to get some sort of farm when you're stuck in your base at least.
Tanga ng
Now, of course,
baseless boy dyan, lumalabas na naman doy.
Goodness, the crush, the grim stun, it's too much. Yuragi trying to get the link, it'll be an Avatos, but he still could go down. They don't even take the first life on Arteezy. He jumps right back into the fray. And without any
Ganako, pwede ka na matulog ko.
alive right now, they'll run right back into the Zeus. Another and Shopify will begin the onslaught.
GGSSG. Thank you sa one sub tol. Nagtulog na ako. Tapos na ko.
they're just doing
Papapikit na ako doy.
tactically. I mean, they know that they got the damage. They know they got all the tools they need. They go.
29 subs guys. Isang game pa para sa inyo.
Probably showing now why they.
Magkano yun? Magkano yun?
Even though he had a substar, but making it work nonetheless.
8k yun?
It doesn't get any worse than that for your Leinster. I mean, they did everything they could to shut down Saberlight in that 10 minutes.
Wala na ako.
He didn't show up to these early fights because he still needed to get this net worth. Really, winning stage against him is not the issue.
Navi had everything going their way. They wanted. But eventually the
Matulog ka na lang. Oo, tutulog ko na lang talaga doy. Tangin na, hindi ko nalalaban sa 29 subs to doy.
going down.
Hindi ko kaya doy. Iba.
Navi is about to call GG at
Hindi
this
na.
point.
Totoo.
Might look
Sige.
for another.
Ang bilis na close up ah.
You're forced. Even going for the megas, the discipline till the end.
Tulog ko lang ito
Take
eh.
no chances, get those megas. And,
Ang
looks
titip
like
oh,
there's gonna be
papalakas ko lang
one
ang
GG
Yopad G.
smoke here from
Hindi
Navi.
kasi
You
magaling.
gotta somehow kill this Faceless Void. He's still got Aegis accepted. Does get reclaimed now. He jumps in for it. Saberlight is going pretty low, but he will be able to just kite himself away from the standing in the pulls. Arteezy able to jump through, and they won't
Na,
even
GG na
try.
doy.
They hadn't even lost the hero yet, and they knew they didn't have it in the
Uy,
tank.
mag-live ka kaya?
Game
Raid ko sa'yo.
number one. Going to Shopify, as you said, a rough lane start here
Tulugan na.
from-
GG na to mga tal.
They knew what his hero could do in this game. They
Tulog
had
na ako
faith in
guys,
him.
di ko na kaya.
That is a man who has battled back through adversity.
Ah,
Yeah, you can see there's Saberlight not